Did somebody say wax them nipples? All right, let's get into it. We're going to use all the colors from Sexy Smooth Wax, and we are waxing my little niece's boyfriend. First off, we're using a Tickled Pink, and yes, I'm going right over the whole entire nipple. Nothing's going to happen. I promise you, it will still be intact. On the other side, we're going to bust out that Cherry Desire, which smells so good, just like cherries. So if you don't like scents, this wax might not be for you. But don't go ahead and order the wax and then make a video complaining about how it smells. That's crazy. We're going to talk about that later. Look at this little nip print right here. Y'all see that? Ooh. Yeah. This one was a good one. Y'all know Cherry Desire coming through. My cleanups, we're going to use Purple Seduction. Oh, I'm sorry. Hypnotic Purple Seduction. There's two different purple ones, but I wanted to go for the shiny one because, you know, Wax Lady likes the glamorous life. And then lastly, we have Golden Allure. This is my best friend. Y'all already know. I done dropped so many videos using her. And I'm going to mix the gold with all these other colors. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me mix first. Gold and purple, gold and red, or gold and pink. We're going to get it all together. Now, when you're done, please do not forget your aftercare. Okay, we got to put aftercare anywhere that we wax a client. He looking real good, though. And y'all look at this troublemaker right here. Girl, that's not how you do it. Let me show you. Oink, oink.